The first thing that I'm making double eggs, what I did was I boiled 6 large eggs that I just always separated. After I just boil on high, I rinse it with cold water. That just take about like 12 or 14 minutes. Where I just always peel that. I having trouble peeling the eggshells. It's gonna be weird disaster. I just want to show you something what it looks like. Can you see that? This might be disaster one. And you might even notice that you don't know how to peel the hard-boiled egg, but I suddenly totally failed. But now just separate the white from the yolk. I put the yolk into this mixing bowl. It doesn't turn green. Now to the yolk, what I like to do is I'm going to use it with a potato masher. It's probably might be easy one. I pop in first about a third to a fourth cup of real mayonnaise. I'm just gonna break the yolk. I'm gonna use it with a potato masher. I just wanted to make sure to scrape it with a potato masher. Let's get that over here. I'm going to be using for about 1 teaspoon of Dijon Mustard. I'm just going to give this with the wire whisk to see how smooth it was. Oh, by the way, you can also use whatever type of mayonnaise you want, like low-fat mayonnaise, fat-free mayonnaise, reduced fat, or either 100%. But you can make your own mayonnaise. It's completely up to you. You can also evenly whatever type of mustard you want, like yellow mustard, like I have here for Dijon Mustard. Or there are many 2 different types of mustard, which is like the yellow one with like the classic one, even the Dijon one. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, or I'm going to be using for the lemon juice. You can see how the color of the yolk is really bright. I'm going to season of 4 teaspoons of kosher salt and ground black pepper. Here it is, ground black pepper. It's going to be really great. I got the platter that I'm putting on some plastic wrap. This is really plastic for platters, and I cover that. I just placed with the egg whites right on this all the way to the edge. Now I put the yolk fillet into the piping bag, or you can also use that you don't have it. You can evenly use a plastic Ziploc baggie or resealable plastic baggie. I'm going to snip those piping bag right over here that be to pipe it with. And that's when I just snip it here. I'm going to pipe it right in, has been filled with, to start with the egg white. Now this is what the deviled eggs looks like, this one. And now we're going to add some decorations. I like to add some decoration that I'm going to be using for some. I have the kosher dill pickles that I just already minced into the food processor. And of course paprika, because they got love for the paprika. I like to just put one on this, on top of that. I'm going to sprinkle with paprika. Now you can also add more decoration, which is horseradish, pitted olives, chives, green onions, avocado, crispy pork bacon. See what else we got here? Oh, sweet radish, cold cuts, and just like that one. I usually prefer for the pickles and paprika. And here's the finish, deviled eggs. If you're interested for more easiest recipe, write me in comments below. We'll always for sharing. Subscribe my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up for A1. As always, enjoy for the deviled eggs.